Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter the backup. It should be on the 4th position, and here we have to tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on Next. Here I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so here we can check that we will be able to use 15 GB of Google account, and we will be able to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. What's more, your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to to manage the backup easily. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on Not Now, and after changing your mind you will be transferred to this particular step, so no worries. But if you want to back up the data, just tap on Turn On. And as you can see, we are in the backup option, let's say backup settings. So here we can check the information of how much storage we've got left, for example. We can manage the storage. Here we've got some backup details, so with what kind of data is backed up already and which is not. So actually this is it. This is how to backup, how to enable the Google Backup in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.